Are you attracting a specific person into your life? Do you want to learn a powerful process and a powerful technique to attract a specific person instantly into your life using the law of attraction? If you are ready for it, this video is for you. Are you excited? I am sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation, and thank you for all your love, support and gratitude. Those of you who are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our awesome tribe. And you can check my website awesomeaj.com for unlimited resources in self-transformation and manifestation. Now, so many of you were requesting for this video and asking me, AJ, make a video in how to attract a specific person. And I have made a similar video on some technique in attracting a specific person few months back, and so many of you have been using it. But this video is more powerful and going to take your specific person manifestation to a deeper level. Are you excited? If you're waiting for this video, do let me know in the comment section. Now, first of all, before you understand the process, you need to understand and remember always that you are a magnet. And you are a magnet. It's a human. All of us are magnet, and we are attracting everything and everyone into our life. All the good people, all the bad people. Whoever is existing in your life, you have attracted them consciously, unconsciously. Now, why we need to know all these tools, techniques, processes, understand the law of attraction? Because when we understand the process, we will be much more aware about whom we are attracting, what we are attracting, so that we should attract more and more of the right people, the correct people, the right things, the amazing things into our life. How can your life become truly magical and happy when you have more and more of the right people the way you want for all kind of areas of your life? Having the right people at your work, having the right people at your family, having the right life partner, having the positive people around, and then the same way having all the money, success, dream car, dream home, everything you desire, then your life becomes truly magical. So that is why these tools, techniques and processes give you deep insight to become the deliberate creator of your life. Now, today we are talking about attracting specific person, and I have explained in my earlier video that attracting a specific person is very natural. It's okay, and everyone is always attracting specific people. If you are yet to check that video, then check the link in the description section. Now, this process you can apply in attracting your partner or your love into your life. Even it can apply in attracting a specific person, maybe your ex or your crush, someone like that. Or at the same time, it can be applied in attracting people in your professional life, like for example, attracting a business partner, attracting an investor, attracting friends, attracting the right people into your life. So the process is always the same. So I'm going to give you 3 steps process that I want you to apply and practice and do it. It is a writing activity that I want all of you to do. Think and write. You have read the book Think and Grow Rich, right? Same way here. Think, write and attract. So you are ready? So first step is you are going to focus on the specific person. Now here there are 2 scenarios. One is you are already aware about the person, you know a specific person in your mind, and that person you want to attract. Or in the other scenario, you have an idea about a person but you haven't met someone exactly like this, and then you are going to attract this person so that this person will show up in your life and you manifest them. So in both the cases, your focus should be what are the qualities or what are the things or what are the vibration this person will be having or is having, so that you like this person or you love this person or you get attracted towards this person. So first step is think about all the qualities and all the things that this person is having within him or her, or what are the qualities or what are the things that this person will be having, so that you love to be in a relationship with this person. So think about it and write it down. Now, if you have a specific person in front of you and you are attracting them for mainly for love relationship, or this person is your crush, So many a times people just focus on the outer quality or their beauty or their social status, only that thing. And when you are focusing just on the outer thing, this person may or may not be having the inner thing that will make it a great relationship. So in that case, still you can focus on this person, but try to write about or focus on the inner qualities also you want along with the outer qualities, so that the inner qualities are the things that will build a great relationship. So first point, think about the person as a whole and what are the things you like or love in this person and write it down. That is first step. Now second step, when this relationship will be there, whatever, it's a personal relationship, love relationship, friendship or a business relationship. Relationships are always two-way thing. It cannot be just one-way thing that you like something in the person and then the relationship will build up. The relationship will only build up very well and stay together only when the other person also like or love things that is within you. So in the second step, think about it and then write it down. What are the qualities or what are the things you have within you, so that this person should like those things or love those things and be in a relationship with you. What are those things you have? And this is about self-love or self-awareness, so that you will know why this person should love to be in a relationship with you, why this person should get attracted towards you, why this person should feel joyful being with you, and write them down. And this is where most people struggle. Most people are getting attracted to the other person or attracting a specific person, but they don't have anything, or at least they are not aware what are the things within them which can attract the other person. So this is the most important step in this, and it's more about self-love, more about the positivity you have. Ask yourself, what are the things I have in me, so that the other person, when the other person will feel it or find it or know it, the other person also feel attracted to me, and then he or she will like that thing within me, and then that will build up the bond. And in this case, if you are not able to find it, you have to keep looking, keep searching. Or if you cannot find anything interesting or positive in you, which really unlikely, but still if you don't find it, but let's suppose, or you find just one or two things and you feel that is not enough, then you ask yourself what more qualities you should have, what are the more things you should have, and then you make a separate list that you are going to develop all these things. Maybe you becoming better, be more optimistic, be more qualitative about your life, be more successful, or become more kind or nice or healthy or fit, whatever it is. You have to note them down, and then you have to work on those qualities separately. So the second point is, think and write why this person should love you or like you or be in a relationship with you. You write it down. And then the third one, it's about the relationship. You have done with the person, specific person qualities, you are done with your qualities. Now it's time to focus on the relationship. What you want in this relationship, how you want this relationship should be, how you want to experience it. You think about it and write it down. If it's a love relationship, it's a different thing. If it's a friendship, it's a different experience. If it's work or business relationship, it will be a different experience. So depending upon the kind of relationship, you write it down what kind of relationship this is going to be, and what you are going to experience, what the other person is going to experience. Take time and write it down. Many people are not able to attract the specific person because they are spatially missing on the second and third step. They are not at all, they don't have an idea what they want to feel in this relationship. They just want to attract the specific person and want to be with them. But then what? When the person came, then what you want? What kind of experiences you want? What kind of moments you want to experience, or what you want to build together, what you want to do together, how you want to have a positive experience together. Take time and write it down. When you do all these three steps, and let me tell you, let me be honest with you, some of you who are very clear, you can do it in just 30 minutes or 1 hour time. Those of you who are not clear about it, you may going to take 3 to 5 days or even 7 days to complete these 3 steps. But my friend, if you really want to attract a specific person, you should give that time, because when you do these 3 steps, you get so much of clarity and you generate so much of energy, then it will be lot easier for you to attract this specific person. because this is possible. But if you don't do it and you just keep focusing on a person whom you know, that it's really doesn't going to work really well, because your vibration is confused, your vibration is not clear, your power of attraction is not clear. And once you've done writing these 3 steps and done this writing, and you should be doing it, and preferably I would suggest that you should write all these things in your journal. And once you've done writing this, I want you to read these things every single day at least once. If you are very focused and this is one of your number one goal in attracting the specific question, you should even read twice or thrice a day, but at least you should read once. And if you start reading it on a daily basis every day, you will see how powerful you are and how fast you are going to manifest. Sometimes once you just create all this clarity, you can just manifest like that instantly, because having this clarity is the first step. Always remember, clarity is the power. Only when you are clear here, then only you can hold it in your hand, then only you can manifest in your physical life. So that is why, my friend, this is the most powerful technique to attract a specific person. And those of you who are attracting specific person, whether you are knowing that person yet or not, then you should apply this for sure. And if this video is an eye-opener for you, if this video has inspired you, then do let me know in the comment section, like it, share it with someone you love. And if you want to learn more tools, techniques and processes in manifestation, you should join our powerful program, Make Your Life Awesome, because we have tons of powerful and interesting activities like this which will really help you manifest all kind of goals, desires and dreams. If you are excited, do let me know in the comment section. And thank you for being in our awesome tribe. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our tribe. Thank you.